welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. You're watching 412 PSE Kustomz here on YouTube. So here we have another on-site install for our customer out of Youngstown, Ohio, Marucci and Gaffney Excavating. So this truck was involved in a fire, and they decided they were gonna have me take off all the echo lights and buyer's mini bar and get this thing upfitted for this guy. Now, this boss uses this truck to tow his fifth wheel trailer. So he takes all these toolboxes off periodically, back and forth. So we didn't want to go with anything up high on the boxes, so we basically used our SoundOff 4x2 mPower. Now this is the screw mount version, and these are actually tricolor. So if you remember me saying, you're going to see a little bit more green in these builds. This is one of the first. So then, let me take you around the side here. We put a bit different light bar. So we basically went with a 34-inch SoundOff Signal 2X series. This is an all amber bar, which is kind of odd for this company because we've been doing all dual color, but unfortunately our stock of the En-Roads bars have been depleted and we're waiting on new ones. This truck had to get done. So here we have this on an ACARI aluminum third brake light, no drill mount. Plus Greg asked for a bit of a bigger bar for this guy. So yeah, let's go take a look at the front. So we also went pretty simple up here as well. Another pair of our SoundOff 4x2 mPowers, also a screw mount. This grill was a little bit beat up, and so we had a little bit of trouble getting those on there, but we got her to work. Alright, so let's fire this thing up. I apologize. First, let's talk about, of course, the Mini 4200 that we are using to power these trucks now. Front warning, rear warning, front work, rear work, on and off. Now the only reason you hear this Power Stroke diesel running is because the battery went dead while we were working on her, so that's why I have her running. This will operate with the ignition off. Alright, let's check out some morning. Now I do apologize, those SoundOff 2X light bars, I'm not a big fan of the flash pattern selection, to be honest. I think they left a little bit on the table there. Not a big fan of how they set their patterns up. Alright, here's the back. See how that amber, green, and white alternates back and forth pretty nice. I know that green, I think the green is a requirement for working the Ohio Turnpike. Don't quote me on that, but I think. And there you have the work light override. Work light in the front and also in the rear. Not sure if you noticed, but there's the very last truck we built for them. I guess they haven't delivered it because their toolboxes that they're putting in the back of this haven't come in yet. How about we turn this on and put them side by side and see what we think. Which one do you prefer? Let us know down in the comments if you had a choice of work truck. Which one would you choose? I'd probably take the power stroke, but that's just because of the truck itself. But I think all in all, both lighting packages came out okay. I think they'll be more than effective for them. I personally wish we had gone with the 4x2 down on the bumper of that F-150. Really like those 4x2s. Well, folks, there you have it. Another on-site install, customer delivery. If you like this video, you want to see more, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. It definitely helps us out. You can always share our channel with your friends and your family and your co-workers and the guys at the barbershop or the beauty salon, whichever you may go. And remember, be kind to everyone. Until next time, be safe out there.